Welcome everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today for our webinar. I am so pleased to showcase our company and product offerings to illustrate why Clearly IP is the clear choice for all your business communication pieces. Why partner with us? That's what I'm here to tell you. I'm Bree Fernie, and I recently joined the executive team here at Clearly IP in the role of Chief Marketing Officer. Some of you may know me. I've been in the industry for 20 plus years, and I was so excited when I made the decision to join the executive team here and collaborate with the Clearly IP folks. I joined the company on July 1st in the role of CMO and am truly just beyond thrilled in this opportunity and to provide some insight on all the amazing innovation and technology that this firm brings to the market and to really help you transform your business and add all the pieces that you need and that your customers are asking for. I feel that Clearly IP is the clear choice. We all know that telephony itself has changed greatly. However, we are still making phone calls today. Technology has jumped leaps and bounds. And I'm sure we all sometimes think, if we could just keep selling key systems, everybody would be happy. Well, what Clearly IP has done is they've applied modern software architecture to traditional phone technology. And they are truly the best ones to do this because they have already done it, because they are the ones that created the previous generation. Clearly is really the right choice for all your unified communication needs. With decades of leadership in communications and developing innovative telephony solutions, the team at Clearly IP provides world-class telecommunication services, applications, and customer premise hardware to businesses, ITSPs, OEMs, and other communication providers across the globe, from Vancouver to the UK. We have a fantastic partner program. At Clearly IP, we welcome partners from a variety of backgrounds who are looking for innovative solutions and ready to grow their businesses. Our partner program was built from the ground up to fit your needs. Everything we do is focused on enabling you to take pieces of our products and services that fit with your business model, and you can use this to grow your business. If you want to sign some paperwork and be on your way, this may not be the partnership for you. We really do things differently here because our products range from SMB solutions to enterprise and carrier-grade OEM platforms. We work with each individual partner in a consulting manner, making sure we provide solutions that make sense for your business and for your end customers. We have programs that allow you to directly resell our services and another option to recommend our solutions in more of an agent model, where we're the ones responsible for the heavy lifting, the billing, the product services, and you get the commission check for bringing us the business and recommending us to your customers. Whatever model works for you, it's really important to us that it will fit your business plan, that we can adopt and work together. So a quick overview of what we're going to go through today. We have a bunch of solutions, and I'll briefly cover each product or service. And of course, if one piques your interest, we can jump on a call with Preston or Tony or myself or another account manager to discuss the solutions in more detail. I'll cover the individual products that you can purchase to build your telecom solution, like our brandable IP phones, as well as some of our pre-configured products designed in a ready-to-go market solution, like our Business Connect platform that includes phone, telephony service as a complete end-user product. So the overview here outlines all the products that we're going to go over today. So this might be a little more lengthy than our previous webinars, but we really want to share all that we have to offer from this company. Great, let's get started. Brandable IP phones. Clearly IP offers a full lineup of brandable IP desk phones. Our Clearly IP desk phones are available in 3 models. All are color screen, gigabit network, offer 5-way conference calling. They're brandable for resellers with low minimum order quantity. They're easy to set up and configure with free PBX-based systems. They offer in-depth features into free PBX with the Clearly apps, and all come with a standard 2-year warranty with the option to purchase an additional 3-year for a total of 5 years. In the highly competitive market of telecommunications, Clearly IP offers one more way to stand out against your competition. Brand the phones with your company or your customer's logo. We have a low minimum order quantity. We don't require customers to order large quantities to take advantage of our service. We offer a low one-time setup cost. Your logo is applied to the bezel. Once you have your logo set up, you can order 5 or 500. You will maintain a high margin, and branding your phones can allow you to reduce price competition, keeping your prices where you set them. We also offer an expansion module for your answering positions needing the additional buttons. We have an EHS30 adapter used to connect Jabra and Plantronics headsets to SIP 270 and 250 models to allow answering and hanging up calls from the headset with the electronic headset lifter that both headsets support, plus our USB panic button, which allows you to link the USB port on the SIP 250 and 270 phones. It allows programming the USB button to call any destination on the PBX, such as a ring group, queue, or page group. When pressed, the phone will call the destination and activate the microphone. The phone itself will not show it is on an active call, and the speaker on the phone will not be active. It will only activate the microphone and send the audio to the destination you defined above. As you can see here, the Clearly IP team has really thought of all the bells and whistles. And our phones do come with that 2-year warranty, but again, you can add 3-year extended warranty for a total of 5-year warranty coverage. Here is our SIP 270 Gigabit IP desk phone. It is our most popular executive set, which offers full support of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Our 250 set offers a color display and is a great model to standardize on for your busy office professionals. The SIP 230 offers everything a user needs, really at an extremely affordable price. Please note, all of our phone models are wall mountable with the included wall mount bracket. Okay, let's move into SIP trunking. Clearly IP's SIP trunking offers superior services, including all the features and benefits you need to offer customers. On-demand cloud SIP trunking, so you can start calling quickly without the complexity of multiple configuration steps or the inconvenience of waiting days for changes to be effective. Failover and redundancy. Clearly offers failover and redundancy to your trunking to circumvent PBX network and or data center outages. It's self-service. We have an extensive dashboard which allows you to manage most aspects of your service, adding DIDs, call paths, users, etc. with ease. DIDs are dedicated phone numbers that allow customers to receive calls directly to their PBX or extension. We offer an extensive availability of numbers across the United States and Canada and 80 other countries globally, so we've got you covered. International DIDs, we offer support for additional or alternate numbers from many countries globally. We offer toll-free voice, easily access toll-free numbers for your client's business, or port existing numbers to our service to enjoy our low monthly inbound toll-free rates. We offer number porting, quick and easy and painless. We know your existing phone number is so important to you and your customers. We make porting easy so that you can keep them. International calling. Outbound international services can be added or removed to any account as needed. And E911 coverage in North America, seamless E911 integration, truly. It provides system integrators and end users compliance and peace of mind, especially with recently introduced Kerry's Law and Ray-Baum Act. Clearly IP SIP trunking offers so many options. We have call path subscriptions sized by the number of simultaneous calls you need. Add additional capacity as needed, and each call path allows for a single call with no per minute charge to most US and Canada destinations. $17.99 US per call path per month, 60 cents US per DID per month, but we can also offer meter subscriptions. Tell us what you need and we'll offer it. Our SIP trunking service is really considered an over-the-top offering that allows you to quickly set up your customers with inbound and outbound calling. Our platform is tightly integrated into several PBX platforms such as Free PBX, Incredible PBX 2020, and Vital PBX. And we have configuration guides to configure it with just about every existing PBX and VoIP platform you may already be using today. The key to the platform is the innovation and feature set that we make available with SMS and picture messaging, advanced E911 integration that fully supports Kerry's Law and the Ray-Baum Act for any US-based customers you may have. Let's move into Clearly IP's newest product launch, SendFax.2. Actually, today is our official launch day for SendFax.2, Clearly IP's newest fax solution. It's an easy 3-step process to send a fax using SendFax.2. 1, you create a new email message and attach any attachments, and your actual email is the cover page. 2, you enter the email address, being the fax number at SendFax.2 in the to field. 3, you send your email and it'll be converted to a fax and delivered to the fax number you specified. The beauty of SendFax.2 is that you can actually remove all your physical fax machines in your office and make sending and receiving faxes smooth, efficient, and a productive task. We offer fax to email and email to fax, scan to fax, fax to print. Whether it's high volume or low volume that you need, meter subscriptions are available. You have all the options at your fingertips. We're so proud to offer a solution where there is no per page, per user, or per group fees. Clearly IP is all things phone systems. We have pre-configured, ready to deploy PBX appliances that you can order and quickly get up and going on your new installs within minutes. Seamless working solutions that provide smooth installations to increase your profitability. These appliances come preloaded with your choice of free PBX, Incredible PBX 2020, and coming soon we'll be adding Vital PBX as an option. We, of course, are considering other platforms as they make sense. We believe in the quality of our solutions, and out of the box include a 2-year warranty, and you can add a 3-year additional warranty for a total of 5 years of warranty coverage. Our smallest systems support up to about 40 extensions and 10 concurrent calls and come with the options to integrate analog phone lines. Our largest systems will support up to about 400 extensions and 100 concurrent calls. Our systems will fit all your clients' needs no matter what size or industry or location globally. Clearly IP offers professional training and support. Getting your team up to speed on our solutions is a key to our success. As a partner, our account managers will schedule calls with some of our key executives like Tony or Preston, so that at an executive level we get to know your business and can provide the level of support and the product solutions that you need. As an example, if you're going to be selling our line of IP phones, you will have a one-on-one session with Tony Lewis, our CEO, where he will walk you through the easy provisioning process of getting our phones configured with the PBX, as well as a lot of features we have built into them and that make them the easiest phones to deploy in the marketplace. In addition to the direct one-on-one training, we do offer classroom-led training options that you can send your key staff and system administrators to get a really deep dive on our products and services. In addition to the training, of course, we offer annual support plans and contracts that we can work with you on either an account level where we support your customer base, or even at a per location level where we have dedicated support contracts for your key clients. Let's move into our custom update management platform. With our team's history of founding the Free PBX project, we do have some solutions that are tied directly into our history of contributing to that open source product. One of the key solutions we offer our partners that utilize Free PBX-based systems in their business is our custom update management platform for Free PBX. This platform allows our partners to put their own branding into Free PBX, as well as control the versions of the Free PBX platform down to the individual modules that your customer systems have access to. This in turn allows you to tightly control your client's systems and enable automatic updates to the system without the worry of upstream open source changes breaking your existing customer systems. If you are managing a lot of Free PBX-based systems, there's a huge return on the investment by enabling you to control the back-end updates of this platform. Plus, just like having your brand on the IP phones is important, putting your brand on the system itself makes your customers stick to your solutions. Clearly Anywhere mobile soft phone. One of the key things about Clearly IP is the team likes to continue to innovate and move the bar on adding solutions available to our partners. Next week, we'll be announcing our Android and iOS mobile soft phone application, Clearly Anywhere. Clearly Anywhere provides easy integrated configuration within our Business Connect product offerings, which I'm going to cover in just a minute, and with open source Free PBX based systems. The Clearly Anywhere softphone allows you to enable your end users to provision softphone clients with a simple QR code or username password, making setup remote or work from home users a snap. Clearly Anywhere will also allow your end users to send and receive SMS and picture messages directly from their PBX business phone numbers. If you're looking for a total solution that is ready to go to the market for your end users, we offer our Business Connect service, which is a service offering that is set up and managed by our onboarding and support team. Our Business Connect allows you to focus on your business and will handle the details of the phone system. When you choose Clearly IP Business Connect solutions, you get more than a team of experts from the best managed phone provider. Business Connect can be deployed to your customers either from our data centers in a hosted environment or even as a managed service hosted on-premise with your customers. This hybrid approach allows you to determine how the system is deployed based on your specific customer needs, requirements, and/or situation. Business Connect is not sold in the typical per-seat model that you see with so many hosted phone systems. It's basically sold by system capacity, allowing you and your customers flexibility and the ability to grow or shrink users around demand without significantly impacting the cost of the services. Business Connect can be resold, and we can even provide an agent model where we handle all of the customer billing and directly deposit a commission check into your account each month. The Business Connect offering integrates our telephony services and our hardware to provide you with an all-encompassing solution for your end customer needs. Business Connect platform provides all the features that majority of your customers need out of the box, included with no extra fees. Performance, control, security, and the features that are ideal for mission-critical business communications. Music on hold, E911 service, conferencing, call record, call park, voicemail to email. We offer it all on our Business Connect platform. Enhanced E911 that provides call notifications by SMS and paging. Conferencing, which allows 2 or more participants to communicate. Call record is a useful feature that enables a calling or called party to record a conversation using their phone. Administrators can set the calls to always call record, never record, or record strictly on an on-demand basis. Caller ID is a standard PBX feature that enables incoming calls to be identified by their caller ID, name and number, on end-user phones and in call reports. Call queuing is a feature that places callers into a regulated on-hold system or with answering priority. The highest precedence usually set on callers that have waited for the longest amount of time. Call queues are extremely useful when handling many incoming callers simultaneously. IVR, interactive voice response auto attendant, allows the managing of incoming calls. The system answers calls and interacts with callers and routes calls as per their selection. Since the entire system is fully automated, it routes calls with more efficiency and employees can maximize their productivity. We offer time-based call routing, night modes with the condition feature, making it possible to route a call on the particular time, day of the week or month. Call parking enables callers to be parked to a call parking lot with an assigned number, where any user can pick up that part call authorized to do so on the system. Our platform offers all the features, as you can see here, that you would need to offer your customers. Let's move into our Cluster PBX. Our next ready-to-go market solution is Cluster PBX. Cluster PBX is a hugely scalable platform where Business Connect is really designed to support up to about 400 extensions. Cluster PBX is an offering designed for large enterprise and institutions, governments, municipalities. Having been developed and deployed for the past 15 years, Cluster PBX is in use in some of the largest universities, government agencies, and business enterprises in Canada. Cluster PBX out of the box will support up to around 50,000 users and is controlled and managed via a robust web interface. If you have large-scale customers, Cluster PBX is the platform you'll want to offer these clients. It not only provides a huge feature set, but also is built for scaling and growing to match your clients' needs. Let's talk about Modulus by Clearly IP. Our Modulus platform uses the same architecture as the Cluster PBX platform. However, instead of deploying it at an institutional or enterprise for a single client, the Modulus platform is designed to allow you to build and manage your own OEM cloud platform. Modulus is a multi-tenant version of the system that allows large ITSPs, carriers, MSPs, and partners to build their own offering. We install the platform in your data center on your hardware and provide ongoing feature updates and maintenance to the system. And you can focus on selling systems, selling seats, and growing your own reseller channel with the rebrandable platform. Now for the really exciting stuff, a quick glance of our upcoming product launches. I'm going to cover some upcoming solutions we'll be launching in the very near future. The first is our Codex solution. Codex is designed for your education customers and the education vertical. Codex allows you to turn your PBX offering into a classroom alerting and notification platform. Administrators can send out emergency alerts using the phone system, and individual classrooms can check in as safe or unsafe using the phones already in a classroom. Codex provides a dashboard which administrators can use to monitor and report on individual classroom status. It feels like we're playing buzzword bingo here. However, this is likely what everyone has been waiting for, our Clearly Cloud. Clearly Cloud is a public offering based on the same base platforms that we build Cluster PBX and Modulus OEM on, but hosted in our data centers using our VoIP services and offered exclusively to our resellers as a way of providing this amazing feature set without having to build or maintain anything. We expect the cloud offering to be launched for our partners in the next few months. We are very excited about this upcoming launch. Also in the final stages of development is the Cloud Device Manager. Our Cloud Device Manager allows you to provision and utilize other manufacturers' handsets and VoIP devices with many different platforms, including Free PBX, Business Connect, Cluster, our cloud, and so on. Wow, even as I share all this exciting innovation, I get goosebumps every time. Let's move on to getting started as a Clearly IP partner. Step 1 is our initial partnership assessment. We work with you to understand your business and to determine which products fit. Once you partner with Clearly IP, you become a crucial member of our team and integrated into our go-to-market strategies for the regions you cover. During your initial partnership consultation, we'll have a strategy with you to come up with some insight into your existing business model and go-to-market strategy, what is important to you from suppliers, goals we need to set together for your fast growth, products and services needed to support your business model, decide if our hardware not for resale kit is a good option for your use, how often and how we should be communicating with you and collaborating with your team, the level of expertise you have, what you know and how we can help you learn more and move to the next level of success. This initial partner consultation will determine the right strategy for us to guide you to success. Step 2 is our onboarding and acceptance process. You decide which partner model works for your business plan. If accepted into the Clearly IP Partner Program, you're placed into one of the following partner groups after you sign the appropriate agreements, either as a direct agent, where you're the master of your destiny. No master agent is required. We consider our agents our outsourced sales team, not a second-class lower-level partner. You'll have a direct personal relationship with us still, and you're not filtered through third-party master agents with 300 other products on their line cards. Next would be as a certified partner. This program will quickly and easily integrate the Clearly IP products and solutions that make sense for your business and fit within the needs of your business plan. Step 3 is our personalized launch plan for success. You work closely with your account manager and the Clearly IP executive team as needed to plan your launch into our programs. We develop a strategic business plan with you that will form your personalized launch plan for success, including products and Clearly IP team introductions. We align you with your personal channel account manager who supports you during the quoting, negotiation, and closing process with your customers. Your account manager will direct you to the appropriate Clearly IP resources and support teams, really is your advocate with all other Clearly IP product management, marketing, and partner support teams, is there and available pre, during, and post-sale to make sure you close the deal. Setups of training, demos, and informational sessions for you or your team's behalf. We do have some required initial product introductions and one-on-one training sessions that your account manager and our engineering and executive teams coordinate. Some of those coordinations include our ordering and support systems, a walkthrough of our systems and processes for ordering products and services for you and your team. Our IP phones, a one-on-one product introduction and training session completed online, where we'll do a live installation of our phones, introducing your staff to the innovative features available with our hardware-based products, features that make them a no-brainer when choosing which phones to offer your clients and the profitability to build your business. Our cloud-based solutions, in-depth introduction to our service-based solutions. These solutions can provide an excellent source of recurring revenue for your business. In this session, we cover how to purchase and deploy our various solutions ranging from SIP trunking, Kerry's Law, and RABOM Act compliant E911 services. We will show you our self-managed hosted PBX platforms integrated with Clearly IP products to our enterprise institutional multi-tenanted Modulus platform. We will go over our Clearly IP OEM program review. You have many options when it comes to telephony providers and hardware manufacturers. Our goal is not to be the biggest VoIP hardware provider in the industry. Our goal is to be the most innovative, and provide you with solutions that are the best choice for your customers. Our various OEM programs give you the ability to put your brand on our products and services. Whether it has your company or service name on our phones, our Modulus UC platform, or scaling your use of open source telephony with our brandable mirror for a free PBX platform. We put you in control of your brand and can work with you to determine the best go-to-market solution that scales and grows as you do, even if you choose to utilize our products and services under our brand. Step 4 is our regular check-ins and deal assessments. Once you're a partner, we will keep in touch on a regular basis, making sure we are supporting your team and company with our products and services. You'll leverage your Clearly IP team for bi-weekly or monthly check-ins. Many large conglomerates in the telephony space will give you a price lift and simply point you to a distributor to purchase products. And that's not us. We are focused on growing our business while you build yours in a true partnership format. We help you assess your current sales, partnership level, and existing systems, determine if any adjustments are necessary to ensure your success. We'll look at your current deals and see if they require sales engineering or solutions engineering support. If there are tools, collateral, or marketing related items we can assist you with to grow your business or help close specific deals. If you're missing out on any crucial opportunities to find additional technology solutions for your customers. Things that we can build next to help your business remain innovative and competitive. Most of our best product ideas come from our partners just like you. Step 4 really sets us apart from our competitors. We really want to provide you with all the support you need to be so successful doing what you're doing, which is selling telecommunication platforms. We want to be your partner, and we're so excited about the next innovation idea that we get from our partners' customer opportunities. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. As much as I'd like to have kept this brief, it was very important for me to really outline what Clearly IP has to offer. As you can see, it's quite the portfolio, and I really wanted to touch on all the important features and services that a partner really needs and wants in a manufacturer. Hey guys, I was in your shoes. I was a reseller for 20 plus years. I know what you're going through. Having a manufacturer you can't rely on, support services in a different continent, nobody returning your calls, no personal service, and no true white label options, expensive recurring support, and licensing costs, I completely understand and empathize. And that's why I wanted to share this overview that Clearly IP does have all the right pieces for your needs. More importantly, being delivered by the right team. I chose them to partner with, and I really hope you will make the same decision. I promise you won't regret it. If you want any further information, please feel free to reach out to myself or Tony Lewis, our CEO, or Preston, our Chief Revenue Officer. Thank you. Have a wonderful day, and we look forward to seeing you at our next product launch webinar.